Hey YouTube, today I just have a 2-package mail day. I'll be opening these two live. This one right here I think is a contest prize from CNC. And this one here is I think a trade off of sports card form, I believe. So I'll just open this thing up. I'll open this one up. Yeah, this one's a trade. So I have 3 cards. I have a 06-07 Flair Ultra rookie of Dustin Byfuglien. See it there at the Blackhawks at the time. Oops. I got a 11-12 certified red of Biz Nasty, Paul Bissonnette. And that's numbered to 199. 137. And then I have, last but not least, I have a Marcel Gotch UD Exclusives 110, numbered 86 of 100. Marcel Gotch. That's a trade sports card form. And right here is a contest prize from, I was reading from the package of UrbanMonk, I think that's how you say his name. Seems to be pretty thick, so there's only one card I want. Oh, that's why it's in here. Okay. Let's just rip this. And it seems like he sent some extras, so I'll have to thank him definitely. I won these cards for free, so it really wasn't even necessary, but big thanks. Always love free cards. Okay, here we go. So we have I'll hold that down here. Wow, we have a lot of cards here. Okay, so we have a 11-12 Hockey Heroes of Red Kelly. Pretty sweet. We have 009 OPG Gold of Matt Sundin. Next top loader. We have a Cujo base. Pretty sick, retro back in the day. I think that's 2002 Pacific, it says on it. And we have a 009 Gold of Igor Toulouse. And right here we have, I think, 11-12 Reimer Crown Royal base. It's pretty sick. And last but not least, the card I won was a 11-12 limited Steve Mason autograph. And that is numbered 10 of 25, the number I guessed. So definitely a big thanks to UrbanMonk, I think that's how you say his name, sorry if it's mispronounced, on CNC. Go make sure to check out CNC and Sports Card Forum. I think all these cards here will be for trade maybe, or for sale. I'll probably be keeping most of the Leaf stuff. And yeah, so guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.